Is your car giving poor mileage, slow starts, or rough idling? It might be time to clean your fuel injectors. In this video, we're counting down the 7 best fuel injector cleaners of 2025, perfect for boosting engine performance, improving fuel economy, and keeping your car running smooth and strong. Whether you drive a daily commuter or a high-performance ride, there's something here for everyone. So hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around till the end to find out which cleaner truly delivers the best results. Number 1. Lucas Oil 10020 Fuel Treatment. Right from the start, you'll see Lucas Oil 10020 Fuel Treatment, small bottle, but powerful results. In this pack, you get 24 bottles of 5.25 ounces each, making it ideal for long-term use to keep your car in top shape. If your engine feels sluggish, takes time to start, or your mileage is dropping, Lucas Oil 10020 Fuel Treatment is the perfect solution for your car. Over time, carbon and gunk build up inside your engine, which can really hinder its performance. This treatment helps clean all that out, making your engine run stronger and more efficiently. It's super easy to use, just pour 1 bottle into your gas tank each time you refuel. It helps clean the fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, so your engine runs smoother, uses less fuel, and even produces less exhaust smoke. And the best part? It's from Lucas Oil, a trusted name in automotive care for years. You can rely on their expertise to help keep your car in peak condition. In short, if you want a cleaner engine, better fuel economy, and improved performance, Lucas Oil 10020 Fuel Treatment is the perfect solution. So why wait? Try it today and give your car the care it deserves. Number 2. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel. If your car's engine feels sluggish or your mileage has dropped, it might be time for a little engine refresh. The Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner is exactly what you need to get your engine back in top shape. This 20 ounces concentrated formula is super easy to use. Just add it to your gas tank, and it goes to work. It helps clean fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers by removing carbon buildup and gunk. As a result, your engine runs smoother, starts faster, uses less fuel, and produces less exhaust smoke. The best part? It's unscented and specifically designed for gasoline engines, so no bad odors or hassle. It improves your car's idle and throttle response, making your driving experience more enjoyable and efficient. And since it's from Chevron, a trusted name in engine care, you can feel confident in its quality. In short, if you want a smoother running engine, better fuel economy, and enhanced performance, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner is the perfect solution. Give it a try, and let your car experience the difference. Number 3. Redline 60103 SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. I'm checking out the Redline 60103 SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner, and if you drive regularly, this might be a game changer. You get a 4-pack of 15-ounce bottles, and it's designed to clean your entire fuel system, injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. It's liquid, unscented, and what I love is that it's safe for continual use, so you can use it regularly without worrying about engine damage. I noticed a smoother idle and slightly better fuel economy after a full tank with it. Acceleration feels a bit more responsive too, which is always a plus. If your car's been feeling sluggish or you're just looking for some engine TLC, Redline SI1 is definitely worth trying. It's trusted by pros and super easy to use, just pour it into your gas tank. Final thoughts? Simple, effective, and well worth the price. Give your engine the cleanup it deserves. Number 4. STP Fuel Injector Cleaner. I'm reviewing the STP Fuel Injector Cleaner, super concentrated, 5.25 fluid ounces, pack of 12. If your car's been feeling sluggish, this little bottle might be your engine's new best friend. Each bottle is super easy to use, just pour one into a nearly empty tank before your next fill-up. It helps clean out gunk from your fuel injectors and intake valves, which can improve acceleration and fuel economy. I used it on my car that had a bit of a rough idle and sluggish response, and after just one treatment, it felt smoother and more responsive. What's great is that this 12-pack means you're stocked up for a whole year if you use it regularly. It's made in the USA and comes in a compact size that's easy to store in your garage or trunk. Final thoughts? If you want better fuel efficiency and smoother engine performance without a mechanic's bill, STP's fuel injector cleaner is a smart, affordable choice. Just pour, fill, and drive better. Like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Number 5. Foam IC5 Fuel Injector Cleaner. I've got a quick but super useful review of the Foam IC5 Fuel Injector Cleaner, 5.25 ounces. If your car feels sluggish, mileage has dropped, or the engine doesn't sound quite right, this little bottle might be the fix you need. It's a concentrated formula designed to clean fuel injectors and restore performance. What I love is how easy it is to use. Just pour it into your fuel tank, it mixes with the gas and goes to work, clearing out carbon deposits and other gunk that can build up over time. You'll likely notice smoother acceleration and improved fuel economy after just one use. Final thoughts. If you want to keep your engine running clean and smooth, especially if you drive an older car, Foam IC5 is a smart, budget-friendly choice. Keep your car happy, and it'll return the favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. Number 6. Liqui Moly Oil Additive Cera Tec 20002. I'm reviewing the Liqui Moly Oil Additive Cera Tec 20002, a ceramic-based additive designed to reduce wear and friction in both petrol and diesel engines. It comes in a 300 ml liquid form, and you only need 1 can for around 5 liters of engine oil. I added it during my last oil change, and honestly, the difference was noticeable. The engine feels smoother, quieter, and starts easier, especially in the morning. Over a few weeks, I also saw a slight bump in fuel efficiency, which is a nice bonus. What I love most is the long-lasting protection. It stays effective for up to 50,000 kilometers. Perfect if you want to protect your engine without constant maintenance. Final thoughts? Liqui Moly Cera Tec is a solid investment for your car's health. If you're looking for smoother performance and better fuel economy, give this one a try. Number 7. Wynns 55964 Injector Cleaner Petrol. Up next, we're checking out the Wynns 55964 Injector Cleaner Petrol, a compact 325 ml bottle that truly delivers great results. If your car takes time to start, feels sluggish while accelerating, or your mileage has dropped, this cleaner might be the quick fix you need. Just pour it into a full tank, and it works on its own to clean up your injectors and remove carbon buildup. After using it myself, I noticed a smoother engine sound and a slight improvement in mileage. It's super easy to use, no tools, no hassle, just pour and go. Final thoughts. For regular engine maintenance, this is a budget-friendly and effective option. We'll keep bringing you more useful products like this, and in the end, we'll find out which ones truly stand out. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews.
Here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.